Computer Applications Technology, Grade 10. Topic: Start working with text. Aim of lesson. Core concepts: text, basic punctuation, formatting marks and formatting. Introduction. In Week 6 the learners worked with file management, structure of a word processing document, ribbons, tabs and menus. This week, Week 7 is an introduction to the program Word. In this lesson they work for the first time with text. The formatting of text, basic punctuation, special characters, font types, styles and colors. Paragraph alignment. Borders, shading, indent and quick styles. Every textbook differs in the way it is planned and display the content differently. The purpose is to make text more readable and interesting. Emphasis can be placed on certain text by display it different from the rest of the text. In this week's lesson we will look at different ways how text can be displayed. Concepts and skills. The learners will be guided as follows. Open the document A Hectic Day. The following instructions will be given to the learners. 1. Enter the word Saturday between the word hectic and day, a hectic Saturday. 2. Delete the third word in the first sentence, radio. To delete text, one can double-click on the word and press delete on the keyboard or click with the mouse in front of the word and press delete or click after the word. And press backspace. 3. One space must be left open between words and one space after punctuation. Guide the learners by showing how this program display a spelling mistake and how a punctuation mistake is displayed. In line 3 and 4 some text is underlined with red. When you right-click with the mouse on the red word, a suggestion will be given. 4. Fix it by choose one of the options in the drop-down list. 5. Select the paragraph in blue by clicking 3x on it. Change the font type, size and color to the following. Broadway 12. To be able to change this, the following option in the home ribbon will be used to make the different options. 6. Select the paragraph in red and change it as follows, highlight it in yellow and apply an emboss effect on it. To be able to apply an emboss effect, learners must be guided to find the options in the small arrow in font options. The yellow highlight will also be found in that group. Save and close the document. One. Open the document menu and instruct the learners to change it to display more attractive. Only formatting must be used in this document. Save and close the document. 1. Open the document symbols and guide the learners to insert the different symbols as shown in the example. The symbols will be found under the ribbon Insert, Symbol. 2. Insert the correct symbol by placing it in the correct block in the table. From the down-drop list, select Windings, find the correct symbol and click on Insert. Save and close the document. 1. Explain and demonstrate the following to the learners concerning paragraphs. Open the document types essays. Display the document on the screen by choosing multiple pages. This option can be found under the View ribbon. Change page 2 the same way the paragraphs are displayed on page 1. To indent. For you to do the exercises on indenting text, the ruler must be visible and ready to use. For the ruler to be visible, it can be found under View, click then Ruler. Method, click 3x on the paragraph to select it. Demonstrate to the learners to click in the small arrow in the paragraph box to find the indent options. Change the left indent to 254. Show the learners that the indent also moved on the ruler. 3. Select the next paragraph and add shading as well as a top and bottom border. Demonstrate that the easiest method to add shading to a paragraph is by choosing the color from the paint bucket. Steps: click 3x on the paragraph and select your favorite color from the paint bucket by clicking on the arrow next to the bucket. 4. To add borders can be difficult. Demonstrate the following. While the paragraph is selected, click on the Borders option next to the paint bucket. Choose the style, color and width. Click on the different sides of the paragraph to display the different side borders. 5. Change the third paragraph on page 2 to the same way as the third paragraph on page 1. 6. Demonstrate paragraph alignment. Text can be aligned as follows: left, right, center and justified. These options can be found under the Home ribbon. Practice the alignment by changing the last paragraph first to center alignment, then change it to right alignment and now to justify. Ask the learners if they could see the difference between left and justify. 7. Paragraph spacing are changed at the icon next to the paint bucket. Line and paragraph spacing. Demonstrate and change the last paragraph's spacing to 2 line spaces, double. Show also the shortcut to the learners. Control N2. 8. Styles can be used to change headings. Styles can be useful when working with headings due to the fact that you do not have to change every heading separately. You can only change the style and all the headings will change simultaneously. Save and close the document. 1. Open the document. Music genres. The styles can be found in the Home ribbon. 2. Select the main heading music genres and change the style to title. Select the subheadings and change them to heading 1. 3. Demonstrate the use of the styles by modify heading 1 to the color red. Method: right-click on heading 1 and choose Modify. The options are clear to change the color. Save and close the document. Consolidation. Recap the essence of the lesson by stipulating the following. Text can be edited, inserted or deleted. Special characters can be used to make a document more interesting. The correct spaces must be left open between words and before punctuation. By changing the font type, style, size, color, highlighting and effects can make a great difference in the readability in assignments and projects. By change paragraph spacing, alignment, borders, shading and indent also contribute to better display and readability. By using quick styles from the gallery will save time if you want to change all the headings simultaneously to a different font, size or color. Values. Always consider your fellow man in your daily actions. E-resources. Data files, https://wcportal.co.za/eresource/194231. Practical textbook, https://wcportal.co.za/eresource/88061.